Okay, Monday, March 31st. We've just had the markets open. I'm going to wait till the 15-minute mark and see if I have any interest around there and consider a trade. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It's 9:45 Eastern. We've had the 15-minute mark come in over here in the ES and the YM. I'm waiting to see if we have any high interest come in. We do have this high interest bar in the ES. These two small green lines are the S&P 500 pit open. I use this for bias also, along with the walking baseline. So we'll give this a few seconds to see if we get any high interest coming in and maybe take a trade. If no high interest comes in, we'll just pass on this trade. We do have in the NASDAQ, we have the 15-minute mark, and we have this high interest coming in, and we are below our walking line. But I'm not going to take that. I'm going to watch the S&P to see how it acts around this pit open. And in between the pit open and this walking baseline, I would consider this a neutral area. If we start putting in some high interest and start breaking below this walking baseline and below this full move, I may consider some shorts. But let's see, I'm going to pause. Whoop. Well, I'm not going to pause. Here we go. We have a high interest right here in the YM. I'm going to watch that fairly closely, along with this high interest in the ES. As I said earlier, if we do start breaking to the downside, I'm going to hold off until we get to this area right here to see what the S&P does. I am going to pause right here. It is 9:48. Okay, I'm back. It's 9:52. I entered long in the ES. I have targets at this first minor move. Same in the YM. I have a target at this first minor move. If I get taken out there, I will have runners. I have targets resting at these upper lines. I may take a runner, take the runner target off and let it run and trail a stop. But very close to hitting that first target there. Let me make sure I'm right. Yeah, I'm a little above that line, but that's okay. Do have high interest coming in right up here at this line. We have all the markets are rising. We're putting in some high interest here at this minor move in the TF. And we're having a small pullback here in Q, testing this full move line, testing the body of this high interest bar. This 15-minute trade is a pretty aggressive trade. I'm going to pause right here and we'll see how price develops. Okay,
Target filled.
I'm back, and obviously you can tell the reason I'm back is we're getting close to getting filled here and on that first target in the YM. No fills in the ES yet. We're kind of starting to do this little sideways business. We did come down and test my entry. We are coming back down and probably going to test it again. I don't know if we start channeling between these two lines, I might lighten up on my positions. I'm looking to the TF and the NQ for some leadership, but I'm not getting it. We're having the same look of this indecision through here in the NQ and TF. I'm going to pause, and let's see, it's 9:57. Okay, I'm back. It's 10 o'clock. We have the NASDAQ starting to lead. We just had a key level come in. Let's see. Yeah, right here in the ES, we have this key level. It's a pretty good match with this minor move line. I do have a target there from this 15-minute trade. We just got filled, and we had this key level come in the YM just now. We've already been filled in that first target. I do have targets resting at these upper lines. Would like to see the ES perk up a little bit right here. The NASDAQ and the TF are trying to lead us to the upside, but I don't know if it's really going to turn into anything here. So I'm going to pause once again, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I lightened up on my positions through here. I'm still long. If we start getting below this key level, I'm going to go ahead and flatten out. So I'm going to pause once again. It is 10:04. Okay, I'm back. It's 10:08. I flattened out in the YM. I'm still long in the ES, but if we start breaking below this high interest bar and getting out of this key level area, I will flatten out of that too, and that might be my day. I'm going to move my stop up to 65 here. We are starting to drop off in the YM. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and flatten out of this ES trade.
Target filled.
And that's it. That's enough excitement for me for one day. You know, just little gains add up. But try putting this pit open on your chart. You can go to EminiGrid.com and find it in the S&P 500 quotes. Be sure to click on the Open Outcry tab so you're not putting the Globex data on there. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.